Alright guys, Globus Gates here representing ALUGlobus product. This is your fence panel. So after you got your post set in concrete, you got your first channel inside the groove and your second post in concrete, which takes approximately, give and take, 15 minutes. Check this out, the assembly. We're gonna go with 2 and 1 variation, meaning 2 composite boards and 1 aluminum channel to break it up, make a nice modern feel of it. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. So what you guys do, you got your first channel on the bottom and you're just literally slide your boards one by one. We're doing 2 and 1. So I'm going to go and put 2 slats. I'll take my aluminum channel. We put the conductors. Takes about a minute. You get yourself set up on the channel. You don't have to go too crazy on it. And whoop, sorry. And there you go. Your first set is up. And then you get your second one. You're going to do another 2 composite. The channels gives you the looks, but also gives you the integrity and the structural. So it's a bit more money, but for the long run, it's probably worth it. Take your second channel here, get it in the groove. It's very easy, very strong. Once it's set in the groove, it can't go anywhere. That's giving you that strength of your panel, basically. And if you're 2 guys, this goes much quicker. Woo! All right, not a problem. There you go. Take your second set, put it in. What are we? Maybe a minute in. Check this out. So anyone can do this pretty easy after we train him. Subcontractors, fence guys. This is a pretty amazing product. I am screwing up on this side. I don't know why. So if you get the bracket at the exact measurement, it should flow really fast. I think kind of screwed up on the measurement, but it still works great. All right, we're already around 4 feet right now. We're doing a 6x6 panel. There you go, your composite sits in the groove. The TNG composite also making sure when the nice heat comes, doesn't work too much. All right, there you go. I'm gonna start with the bad side here. Very nice. All right, we're in up to the last piece. As you can see, I am maybe a minute and a half or 2 into progress, probably a little more, but it's an easy peasy. There you go. Now you get the last channel, has a flat surface on top, so it's pretty easy to know which one it is. Same like Lego when we were kids, just with the fence today. There you go. Then you put some silicone on your caps. Then you go in and you cut your channel so it's a nice smooth finish. There's some ugly silicone on it, but you put your cap with a little silicone so it never bounce out. And there you go. So basically what you do, you just copy and repeat, copy and repeat. As long as you got your bottom channel, you will never screw up because the sizes are equal. Then if you have a custom one, you just cut the sizes to the according destination and the configuration that we set for each piece. You need to have a little bit of a movement for it to expand so it doesn't warp, which is very, very intelligent system. Your aluminum pieces that don't really expand too much. That holds the structure in place. So you got your post in concrete that will never rust. Perfect fence. ALUGlobus, we love the product. We've been very satisfied with the results. Our clients are just having a blast. Coming from a wood fence to this, it's just night and day, and the price is absolutely amazing. You just can't get to a result like this with any other product. I love the aluminum channels and the post, and obviously if you need the gates, then there's matching gates, which is absolutely amazing. There's a lot of product can't get gates, and this is pretty durable, very, very aggressively priced, and you can accomplish your backyard and not worried about it for years. All right, check us out, ALUGlobus. See you guys later.